James, back again. It's important, I guess, mate, if you're going to spend the money to engage an engineer, to lay that groundwork that we've talked about before, about building a scope and making sure that everything's in line. If you're going to spend that money, what do you need to do? Who do you need to look for? What engineers? What's the right way to go about it?
So that's a great question. There's a lot of consulting engineers out there. I guess firstly, one of the things to look for is experience in what you're looking to achieve.
Yep.
So if they're a firm that perhaps specialises more in large commercial works, they're not going to be perhaps with the expertise to deal with the existing smaller buildings.
Yep.
That are suffering from damage. So you'd be looking to engage someone with experience in the sort of the diagnostic or forensic field, but also you're looking for really, if you can get it, the necessary accreditations to the relevant
Sure.
institutions. So Engineers Australia is the peak body for engineers across Australia.
Yep.
And they actually manage a thing called the National Engineers Register, which is not a statutory body or anything that's legislated. It's something that the peak body has organised. And so basically it's anyone who's got the competencies of a tertiary educated engineer.
Yep.
Is able to get on that register, but at least if you check on that register, you can be assured that they are qualified.
Yep.
And have the requisite experience to be on that register. If you're really looking for the gold standard, much similar to accountants and things like that, there's a thing called a chartered engineer.
Yep, right.
And again, that's something that's managed by Engineers Australia.
Yep.
And it's only awarded to those engineers that have proven their competency over a period of time, and have proven that to the assessors at Engineers Australia. So Engineers Australia market that as their gold standard.
Sure.
So there's little things that if you're not 100% sure on whether or not the engineer has got the expertise that they're professing to have, particularly through the Engineers Register, which is available online for free.
Okay.
You can actually look them up and check.
Okay, and that'll sort of break down what areas they are really qualified or specialise in doing.
Particularly for the, I think the register has got it fully marked as well, but particularly for chartered, the chartered status only refers to a particular college of engineering. Okay. That might be structural or that might be civil. So you can very quickly check if, for instance, if you've got problems with stormwater drainage around the property and you're looking to engage a civil engineer to help provide some advice on that, then you can quickly check on the National Engineers Register whether or not they've got the requisite experience in civil engineering.
Lovely. Thanks, mate.
No worries.
Cheers.